Greetings from Geojit Financial Services. If you're a mutual fund investor, chances are you would have heard about CAMS. CAMS, or Computer Age Management Services Limited, is the latest IPO to hit the Indian markets. The issue is open from September 21st to September 23rd. This issue entails a stake sale by its promoters, which amounts to a little bit of profit booking by the early investor. Let's understand the business of this company. Apart from offering A to Z services for mutual fund transaction requirements, CAMS also offers financial infrastructure and services to insurance companies and to alternate investment funds. It also offers software solutions to banks and NBFCs. Let's now look at 4 reasons why you need to invest in this IPO. The first and primary reason is that CAMS is the largest mutual fund RTA in India. 4 of the top 5 AMCs are serviced by CAMS, which includes HDFC AMC, ICICI Prudential, SBI and Aditya Birla. 9 of the top 15 AMCs in India are also serviced by CAMS. Out of the total average assets under management in India, 70% of this total is managed by CAMS. So leadership position and market share is already well established. The second reason why you need to look at this company is the stable financials. In spite of Q1 FY21 results being impacted by the COVID-19 related lockdown, the company has showcased consistent profitability growth and also AUM growth in the last 5 years, which is not the case with its competitors. It is also a cash-rich company and we can anticipate decent payouts to its shareholders. The third reason why you need to look at this company is its asset-light business model. With its focus on technology, the business can also be scaled up and it is well prepared for the future. The fourth reason is the mutual fund industry's potential in India. The under-penetration in the Indian markets, Indian demographics which is favorable, increasing financial of savings and also the reducing bank interest rates all bodes well for the mutual fund industry. So these were the reasons why you can look at investing in this IPO. Let's also look at the concerns. The one concern that we have is that this company does not have a listed peer or a comparable sector for us to compare the valuations with to understand if it is expensive or fairly valued. At the upper range of the IPO offer price and with its FY20 earnings, the PE of this company comes to 34.6 times. But we do not know whether it is overvalued or fairly valued. Other than this, there are near-term concerns if the COVID-19 related uncertainties continue. The outflows from mutual funds may continue, which can impact the AUM of its clients. And this will have a direct impact on the revenues. But this is more of a near-term risk rather than a long-term risk. So setting these concerns aside, considering the growth potential and the increasing participations of Indians in the capital markets, we are positive on this company's IPO with regards to its growth potential, with regards to its financial stability. We recommend a subscribe rating on this IPO with a long-term perspective. You can get more details about this IPO from the IPO note that is being published by Geojit Research. Please note that this IPO is only listed to avoid conflict of interest. This company will be listed only in Bombay Stock Exchange. Thank you and happy investing.